how to find database ID in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your database ID in Notion. So let's get started. First, head over to the Notion homepage and click Login. Once you're logged in, select the workspace where your database is located. If you're managing multiple workspaces, make sure you pick the right one. Now, navigate to the specific database you want the ID from. Databases in Notion usually appear as tables, boards, or lists, so find the one you need. At the top right corner of the database, click on the three dots menu, then choose View Database. This will open a direct page for that database. Here's the key part. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll see a long string of random characters. This is your database ID. It's located right before the word V equals sign in the link. Highlight and copy that string of characters, but make sure you only copy up to the part before V equals sign. That's your full database ID. And that's it. You've successfully found your Notion database ID. With this, you can now connect your database to third-party apps, build automations, or streamline your workflows. Just remember to double-check that you're copying the right ID, especially if you're working across multiple databases to avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.